How to do, people on the internet? It's your boy Freaky Zekey, and this is my first tutorial video. Yes, I'm back at it again. We out here. We about to tutorialize. I'm gonna show you guys how to do something really cool today, and it's something that everyone does on a daily basis: makeup. Now, this is gonna probably be the best makeup tutorial you'll ever see in your life. Don't mean to brag. Don't mean to brag. I'm gonna be better than James Charles, Jeffree Star, those other people that do makeup. I'm gonna show you like a real, authentic, skin tutorial. All right. Now, what you're gonna want first, step one, you need your tools and equipment. So we're gonna have our super legit, super real makeup kit right here, as you can see, as it says right here. Doesn't say face paint at all, not at all. Then you're gonna want some like brushes so you could do your highlights and your little thingy. So you're gonna want that, and let's get started. All right, this is it, Chief. This is it. Alright, hold up, folks. Dang, I had this open already, man. What? Sorry about that. Whoa. Alright, we got that out. We got our brushes. And let's begin. First of all, you're gonna want to do like maybe like some blushes right here. So we're just gonna go ahead and pick some random color. This one. So what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna take this off first. I'll take this off. Oh wow, that is very sticky. I hope I don't get this on my bed at all. Let's grab a brush here. Let's grab a brush. We'll start with this little skinny one first, because you don't want to put too much. You don't want to put a lot. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to dip it in here. And you're going to want to, like, I don't know. But how do they do it? They put it like in a circle, I think. Yeah, you put it like a circle right here. Look at that. Oh yeah, this is working. This is it, T. Rub a little circle right here. You got your blushes already. Look at that. You are looking sexy as frick. I love it. Now, I believe people like to do that little white thingy, right? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this out, this white stuff, and we are going to open this next. Take this little patch off right here. Yep. And you know what? I almost forgot the most important thing. When you have a brush and it's got like the you see how there's paint on that, and you want to use this paint, you don't want to like get it all pink and white. You want to like get some water and wash that paint out, because that crap's nasty. You don't want like white pink cheeks. That's freaking weird. So I think I should probably get some water. And we're back. I got a cup of water so I can get rid of this nasty paint color and we can get a new color on, you feel me? So what you're gonna do is just you're gonna like put it like this into the cup. Make sure you get all that pink out. No one want that pink crap up in here, you feel me? We're gonna dry our brush right here. Now let's do this. Alright, so you're gonna put your brush in the paint, and you're just gonna just keep brushing right there. You smear it all over your face. Right here. There you go. And another smear right here. Oh yeah, that's looking good. There we go. Yeah. All the boys and or girls will be staring at you for days, okay? Now, let's get that color out. And Let's see. Yeah. All right, let's dry that off. There we go. Good. And yeah. All right. So we used 2 colors already. Now I'm gonna show you guys how to do your eyebrows. Yeah, your eyebrows. So what you're gonna want to do is that, since most of us have like brown, black hair, as you can see, I have black hair. So I'm gonna use a nice black color that matches my nice black hair. Sorry, I burped a little. Excuse me. So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna use this one because this is nice and black, and we are going to take this off once more. Put this right here, and just for safekeeping, we're gonna mix up the colors a bit. You feel me? Here we go. All right, let's get all that color out. Well, we're not gonna mix, but we're gonna get that color out. You know, you don't want white, red eyebrows. That's kind of weird. And here we go. Yeah, let's get a little black here, and let's do this. Let's apply the eyebrows all the way. There we go. See how nice that is? That's what you want. That's what you want. All right. You're gonna yeet all the way down over here. Look at that. Major mucho sexy. Oh yes, this is great. This is amazing. This is the tea, sis. So you're gonna want to cover that back up. You know, you don't want that to expire or nothing. Put that back there, and look at that. Look at how all the progress we're doing right now. Look at this. We got some nice, sexy eyebrows, some good white and red blush going on. Like I told you, man, I am the star of makeup. Okay, you don't need those other fancy boys and girls who like to do their makeup. So now let's move on to the next thing. We're gonna move on to I want to say, oh, your that thingy that like pokes out of the eyelids over here. We're gonna do that, yeah. So you know what we're gonna use? The black again. Wow! So let's just take the black out again. Let's take that, and we don't even need a. Sorry, I just like doing that to the water. It's very comforting. Now, let us use the brush again. Stick it in here, nice and good. And then right by your eyelid, you're gonna want to make a nice sharp thingy right there. Look at that. Like how nice that looks. Very, very nice. Right here, you're gonna want to put it nice like that. Oh. Ow. Perfect. See that? You see that? What is it? I think they call it eyeliner. Yeah, look at that eyeliner. Look at me. I'm flexing now. And you're going to be flexing too. Watch. Look at that. Woo. Everyone's going to be up on you. Everybody, baby. Yep. It's looking good. Now, it's time to do sometimes one of the most important things when you're doing makeup. Lipstick. So, unfortunately, I don't have lipstick. I don't. I have this stuff, this red makeup, which we could put on our lips, I guess. You know. Let me see. Do not apply to here. Warning. Do not in the areas of eye. Do not apply to the areas of eye. Well, clearly it's wrong because, I mean, I didn't put it to the area of the eye. Because if I put it in the area of the eye, I would have put it in my eye. But it's next to my eye, so yeah, we're good. Whoops. So yeah, we're good. Oh. So once again, we are going to take this off, but this time we are going to clean the brush because this is a brand spanking new color. We don't want it to look all weird, black and reddish, you know. No one wants that. No one wants to see that on your face at all, or else people will disown you, and that's not good, you know. Alright, so what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to take some right here. Remember, the same brush. We've been using the same brush this whole time. And you're gonna pucker your lips like this, and then you're just gonna perfect. Look at that, sparkly and beautiful. Nasty though. Don't swallow it. Don't swallow it, bro. That's gross. Ugh. So yeah, there we go. There you have it. Yeah. Let me check my list if there's anything I'm leaving out. Ow, this is starting to sting a little. Oh, I probably should have read the instructions. Oh. Alright, now let's look at this finished product. Oh, yes. I love it. Look at that. We got our nice, beautiful long eyebrows. We got the nice blush kicking and going on. Look at that. The eyeliner right here. Do you see that? Oh, beautiful. Nice, sharp baby. We got our lipstick going on, so everyone knows to kissy kissy. And yeah, I like it. I like it. I like it a lot. So thank you guys for watching. I'm going to go show this off to the many people. Maybe attract some ladies. Know that I'm a makeup artist now. Some paint went in my mouth right now. That's disgusting. And I'll see you on the next video. Yeah, thanks. Does this sound really low? Dang, my lips are chapped. Now, if you'll excuse me, I'm going to go outside and show myself stunting. I said that wrong. So anyway, thank you guys for watching my tutorial video. I hope that you followed the instructions correctly. And look at that. I think this is the finished product. Dang, I messed it up. I almost forgot the most important thing. When you're using brushes, I dropped it. When you're using brushes, you want to like get some water so you can change, like, you know, like, but you want when you have God, I can't talk. Why did I agree to do this? Look at your feet! Everyone's gonna call me gay and stop faggot. I'm gonna get really oh crap, the camera still went. Don't put face paint next to your eyes, because my eyes are literally burning right now. Okay, thank you, bye.